Hi, this is BVKR. In this session, we'll discuss about that class 6, chapter 3, exercise 2. The question number 2, which of the following pairs are coprimes? What are the coprimes? The common factors of two numbers is only one, then they are called coprimes. They need not be a prime numbers. Right, here on 216 and 215 we have, but these are two consecutive numbers. So I already told you that two consecutive numbers are always coprime numbers. So according to that, 215 and 216 or 216 or 215 both are side by side numbers. Consecutive means side by side numbers. So 216 after before 215, 215 after 216. So these are consecutive numbers. So definitely two consecutive numbers are coprimes. So 216 and 215 are coprimes. Need not be right factors and getting common factors, and need not be do all these things. Here we can see that after completing that, then question number 3, 30 and 415. So here there is no way they are not a consecutive numbers. So if they are not a consecutive, we just write the factors of each number individual. So 30 factors. What are the factors of 30? Factors of 30 are, you just write here 30 factors. What are the 30 factors? 1 into 30. We just write the factors in the as a pair. 2 divides 30 15 times. 2 into 15. 2 and 15 both are factors of 30. 3 10 times. 3 times 30. 3 and 10 are both are factors of 30. 4 is not divisible. 5, yes, 5 6 times. 5 6 is 30. 5 and 6 also both are factors of 30. No need to write 6 and 5. Why? Because it is already included. 5 6 is 30. That means 5 and 6 both are factors. If you write 6 and 5, the same meaning will get. So that no need to write. After that 7 is not divisible. Then after 8, is it divisible? No. After 9, nothing. 10. 10 3 is a 30. So already it is included, but no need to write again. So these are the factors. What are the factors of 30? You just come down and we will go like this, right? Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Okay, after that write the factors of 415. Then factors of 415. Right now 415 factors. 1 is a factor of every number, so that 1 into 415. Next 2, it is in the units place. The digit is 5, so that this number is not divisible by 2. After that we'll go for checking by 3. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 10. So 10 is not a multiple of 3. So 415 is not divisible by 3. Next 4 is not divisible. 5, definitely it will be divided. Why? Because in the units place it is a 5, you know. So then 5 into 81, so 83. 5 into 83. Then 6, the number which divides 2 and 3, then only it is divisible by 6. But there is no 2 and 3 as a factor, so that 6 is not divisible. Next 7, divide 415 by 7. 7 5s are 35, 65. No, it is not divisible by 7. Then 8, also it is not divisible. 9, for same rule which is applied for 3, for checking about the divisibility of 3, we can use the same rule. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 10 is not divisible by 9, so that it is not divisible by 9. Okay, 10. Okay, up to here. So these are the factors of 415, right? 1, 5 and 83 and 415. So factors of 30 and factors of 415 are we have. Now find out the common factors. What are the common factors of for both numbers? For both, that means 30 and 450 are, one is the common. Is there any other numbers to common? Yeah, it is a 5 and it is a 5. Yes, here 30 and 415 have two factors. So one is a common factor, they are co-primes. But here except one, we have a 5 also common factor. So 30 and 415 are not co-primes. If only one is a common factor, then they are co-primes. But here, other than one, there is a 5 is a common factor. That's why 30 and 415 are 30. Excuse me. 30 and 415 are not co-primes. So this is the way of writing or finding the co-primes, and by using this knowledge we can complete the remaining problems in the question number 2.